don't underestimate her just because she's a circle, okay? She's got space. What's up, mid-tier material girls? Welcome back to the channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to the channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. I let you guys vote if y'all wanted an Amazon workout haul, workout clothes haul, or if you wanted to see a purse haul, and y'all voted for purse. I asked on here on YouTube, and I also asked on Instagram, and y'all both times voted for the purse haul. I kind of wanted to do the workout gear, but that's fine. I got y'all next month on the workout gear, and I'm excited because I found some cute finds. I always like to go for purses that I think kind of look unique and just different and high-end, even though, you know, they're nicely priced. Now, I do have these purses I'm going to show you guys and more in my Amazon store. You can click the link in my description, and you can see all the purses that are on Amazon that I would recommend. I love purses. I'm a purse fiend. Listen, I always buy people purses as gifts. So this first purse here is for my working girls. It's for my traveler girls. It's for my girls who got a lot of stuff they need to carry around with them. This is a laptop briefcase, they call it, but it's also just a very, you know, big, nice, sturdy tote bag. It is waterproof, so if you get anything on it, it'll come right off. It comes with a little mini pouch within it, so you can put things in here like headphones, wallet. I'm definitely going to be using this for flights. It's big enough to fit your laptop in, obviously, because it's a laptop bag. And me being, you know, a content creator, I like to take my laptop with me when I go places, so this is gonna make it a whole lot easier. I'm always a little uneasy sticking my laptop in my bag, but I kind of have to, so this will be nice. And even if you're just like me and you try to like get the most out of the items you can bring on a flight for free, nice size. This is the inside here. You can see just how much room is in here. Like, look at that. It's like a never-ending bottomless bag. It also comes with a strap you can use if you don't want to carry it by hand. And I like the little bow add-on here in the front. This is just a really sleek bag. Like, you can still just use this as a tote bag if you're into carrying like big purses. It does come with a little pocket in the back, and it has a lot of compartments within here too, and I really like that. This is a chargeable bag. Yes, you can stick your charger in this bag. Now, when I first got this on Amazon, I thought that the purse would act like a portable charger itself, like you could just charge the bag and take it with you, but no, you still need to get or if you have one, a portable charger. But what you can do is you can actually stick your portable charger in the bag and charge it within the bag without having to take it out. So essentially you can turn it into a chargeable bag. Now you can see here there's a USB port and also a port if you have a lightning charger or just like an Android style charger. I'm a little disappointed in that feature just because I thought it was gonna be a little more useful than that, because I could just get the portable charger. But it's great if you like the purse. That'll teach me to halfway read the reviews. So the next item I picked up is this really cute, sleek pouch. Now, if you're anything like me, in 2018, you was wearing a fanny pack. It had me in a chokehold, let me tell you. And I decided to bring it back, but in a bit of a sleeker way. It has like a real Gucci vibe to it, you know? I mean, it's not a Gucci bag, obviously. It's from Amazon. But it does have like a Gucci feel to me. I like these types of bags when it comes to like fairs, festivals, anything where you just kind of want to be hands-free, but you want your stuff on you. This is perfect. Not to mention, it's also great for hiding a little fupa. Now this bag, this is actually probably my favorite bag that I picked up. I actually just happened to find it on a whim. I actually just love a little mini purse. I feel like it's a nice added touch to a fire outfit. It was just so unique and stand out to me. Now it's not your basic like bag, you know what I'm saying, that's like for sleek looks and stuff like that, but this is perfect if you're into streetwear looks, which I also am into. I just like fashion all around. Like, I ain't got one look. So if you're like a fashionista kind of girl, you definitely, like, this is something you want to have. It does come with a strap inside so you can carry it on your shoulder. And I feel like these mini bags are a nice alternative to clutches because you just have a little bit more space. So here we have another mini purse. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I thought these were gonna be a little bit bigger. I knew they were going to be handbag size, but I thought they were gonna be a little bit bigger. But that's fine because they are super cute. And like I said, I love a little mini bag, so I ain't mad at it. I got this one because I love having staple pieces. And this is a staple accessory, obviously, just like the other one, because it has a nice print. Now this one you could do with a sleek outfit. You could wear this with all black or just all one solid color and then pop out with a little, you know what I'm saying, little print. I could really see this with like a little black dress look, but you could also take it to be casual too. Like this is it's a print, but it's versatile. You can literally go fancy or casual with this bag. I feel like you can do so many different looks with this. Very sturdy. It also comes with a strap as well, and it's got a nice roomy inside, so you can get your phone in there, your lip gloss, your car keys, all of it. Now this bag, oh my god, I picked this up immediately. It's so unique. It's in a whole circle, and it does have like the print on the side of it too. I don't have a circle bag. Well, now I have a circle bag, but I didn't have one before, so I was like, I need one of those in my collection, and I absolutely love blue. Blue is my favorite color. Now with this one, don't underestimate her just because she's a circle, okay? She's got space. This is a purse. This is not a mini purse. This is a purse. It does come with a strap, so you can wear it crossbody style, or you can, you know, wear it on the side if you want to, but I believe it is made for crossbody. And this is the inside. Like I said, it's got the sides on it too, so nothing's gonna fall out. But it's a nice size bag, very spacious. You should be able to fit everything you need in here. If you can't, you might need to reevaluate everything you got going on in your purse. And that's not me judging you, because I got purses that be full of stuff too. It also has a zipper inside with a little thin pocket. You could probably fit cards in here. I would say you can't fit much else in there because it's kind of tight. And then the back, it doesn't look like it, but it does open up into a little slit here too. This is another one that can be more in casual or taken up a notch in my opinion. You could take the strap off so it's not a crossbody and just, you know, hold it here, and then you have like a fancier bag. I am just in love with this blue though. It is so pretty and stand out to me. Drop a comment down below and let me know which bag is your favorite. All of the cute purse finds that I showed you guys today can be found in my Amazon store. Link is in the description again. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.